The magic of avocados, unlocking the health benefits. Ever thought about eating a superfood that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also works wonders for your body? Let's talk about the magic of avocados. First off, let's clear the air. Avocado? It's not a veggie. It's a fruit. And not just any fruit, but a miracle worker in disguise. Imagine a fruit that boosts your mental health, gives you that radiant glow, and even guards your heart. Sounds too good to be true. Well, that's the avocado for you. Sure, the calorie counters might raise an eyebrow at its fat content. But here's the twist, it's the good fat. The kind that dances with your HDL cholesterol and gives the boot to the bad guys. Daily avocado? It's like having a shield against infections, diseases, and those pesky colds. With its cocktail of B vitamins, vitamin E, and vitamin C, you're not just eating, you're armoring up. Want that model-esque skin? Slap on some avocado. Those healthy fats, when smeared or munched, are your ticket to a radiant glow. Heart disease? Avocados laugh in its face. With their potassium-rich, sodium-shy nature, they're the guardians of your heart, keeping those blood pressures in check. Planning a family or nursing a little one? Avocados have got your back. From boosting fertility to enriching breast milk, this fruit is a woman's best friend. Aging is inevitable, but avocados? They've got a trick up their sleeve. Laden with lutein, they're the warriors against DNA damage, keeping those wrinkles and diseases at bay. Feeling blue? Dive into an avocado. Its rich dietary fats are like a spa day for your brain, fighting off the blues and keeping your spirits high. Cancer? Avocados are on the front line. Their phytochemicals are the unsung heroes, battling those rogue cells and keeping you safe. Absorption is the game, and avocados are the name. They ensure every bit of nutrient you consume is optimized and put to good use. Remember being nudged to drink milk for bones? Well, the real MVP? Avocado. With its folate, vitamin K, and copper, it's the unsung hero of bone health. Lastly, if you're watching that waistline, avocados are your secret weapon. They keep you full, satisfied, and far from those snacky temptations. So, next time you're at the grocery store, remember, avocado isn't just a fruit, it's a lifestyle. Dive in, and let the magic unfold. Thanks for watching. Link in the description below. https://bit.ly/3px6xfp. Another day, another story.